Welcome to aminacademy.com. In GMAT, let us do quantitative practice test. Look at this example. The instructions state that Cheryl needs 4 over 9 square yards of one type of material and 2/3 square yards of another type of material for a project. She buys exactly that amount. After finishing the project, however, she has 8 over 18 square yards left that she did not use. What is the total amount of square yards of material Cheryl used? Here she bought 4 over 9 of one material plus another material is 2/3 of another material. After using for the project, she has left over of that is minus 8 over 18. So this figure gives total figure gives the total amount of square yards of material Cheryl used. Now let us do this one. So we have the denominator 9, 3 and 18. LCM is 18, so we have to make it 18 for that denominator. That is first number multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. No, divide by multiply by 2 first. 8 over 18 plus that multiply by 6 of 2 over 3, that is here 12 over 3 into 6 is 18 minus 8 over 18, which gives the common denominator is 18. So 8 plus 12 is 20, 20 minus 8 is 12, so which gives 2/3. Therefore the 2/3 of the amount of square yards of material Cheryl is used. So the option C. Here the question number 29, printing is not well, so we leave. Question number 30. John is 3 times as old as Sam. If John will be twice as old as Sam in 6 years, how old was Sam 2 years ago? Here both of them younger is Sam. Let Sam's age now is X years. Now John's age, therefore John's age is 3 times older than Sam, that is 3x. Now if John will be twice as old as Sam in 6 years, in 6 years Sam's age equal x plus 6, John's age is 3x plus 6. Now the condition is if John will be twice as old as Sam in 6 years. In 6 years, Sam is x plus 6, John is 3x plus 6. So John will be twice as old as Sam in 6 years. Here, therefore, we have to multiply 2 here to make it equal. Means that is 2x plus 12 equal 3x plus 6. Collecting x one side, that is 3x minus 2x equal 12 minus 6. Therefore 3x minus 2x is x equal 12 minus 6 is 6. Here at present Sam's age is 6, but in 2 years ago, means it before 2 years before, his age is 4, because at present his age is 6, so 6 minus 2 is 4. Our option is B. Now next question. Given a spinner with 4 sections of equal size labeled A, B, C, D, what is the probability of not getting A and A after spinning the spinner in 2 times? First time to get A, to get A is the probability of 1. A have 1 time, total spaces is 4 to get A. Therefore, we can say not get A, the probability is 1 minus 1 by 4. This is the first spinning. In second spinning also, to get A, 1 by 4, not get A equal 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal, this is 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Here this 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So after spinning 2 times, the probability of not getting A is, that is not getting A in first spin is 3 by 4 into another 3 by 4, which is equal 9 over 16. This is the probability of not getting A for 2 spins. That is, our option is A. Next question. A case of 12 rolls of paper towels sells for $9. The cost of one roll sold individually is $1. What is the percent of saving per roll for the 12 roll package over the cost of 12 rolls purchased individually? Here, the cost of 12 roll is 9 dirhams. So if individual purchase of each roll is 1 dirham, so $1. So therefore saving equal 12 minus 9, which is equal $3. Therefore saving percent saving is this one over that total cost per individual towel, means if you buy individually, one towel is $1, therefore 12 towels are $12 into 100, so which gives 1/4 of 100 equal 25%. Option D. Here, how many different committees can be formed from a group of 2 women and 4 men if 3 people are on the committee and at least one member must be a woman? Here there are 2 women and 4 men. Here the committee should be formed such a manner that committee should have at least 1 woman. Now the first chance is 1 woman plus 2 men, because the committee must have 3 members, or 2 women and 1 man. Because further we cannot go. Why? Since there are 2 women and 4 men. Here totally here 3 members out of 6 members. Here first is 1 woman can be selected to C1, one woman and 2 men. Put comma here, 2 men and 1 man. 2C1 into here men can be selected out of 2 men can be selected out of 2 men can be selected out of 4 men. 2C4 is the first chance, and the other is 2 women can be selected from 2 women, that is 2C2 into 1 man can be selected, that is 1, that is 4 out of 4 men, 1 man can be selected in 4C1. So 2C1 is 2, not 2C4, 4C2 here. Then 4 combination 2, by using calculator we can get it is 6 plus 2C2 is 1 and 4C1 is 4. So 2 into 6 is 12 plus 4 into 1 is 4 equal to 16. So that 16 chances are there to get such combination. So our option is E. Here, next question. Susan spent 1/3 of her money on books and half of the remaining money on clothing. She then spent 3/4 of what she had left on food. She had $5 left over. How much money did she start with? Here, first, originally she have X dollar. Now for books she spent 1/3 of the original, that is 1/3 of X. From that remaining she has X minus 1/3 of X equal to 2/3 of X she is having. Now for cloth, she spent half of the remaining. For clothing, half of the remaining she spent for clothes. The remaining is 2/3 of X and half of the 2/3 equal 1/3 of X. Then the remaining is 1/3 of X now she spent for clothes. The remaining is 2/3 of X minus 1/3 of X, which is equal further 1/3 of X. Now for food she spent 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 of the remaining is 1/3 X, which is equal 1/4 of X. Therefore she spent for books, clothes, food is 1/3 X plus another 1/3 X plus 1/4 X plus $5 remaining. The total amount what she have original is X. Here we'll do the calculation like the LCM is 12, so 4X, another 4X, here 1/4, that is 3X plus 3X plus 5 equal X. Further we can get here 4X plus 4X is 8X, 8X plus 3X is 11X over 12 plus 5 equal X. Therefore X minus 11X over 12 is 5. The solving it is 1 over 12 x equal 5. Therefore x equal to 5 into 12 is $60. Mean originally she had $60. It is option A. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.